Renewable energy stocks surged in the days leading up to the Union Budget 2025. Investors anticipated significant government support for the sector. The market buzzed with speculation. Analysts predicted increased allocations for renewable energy projects. This excitement reflected the growing global shift towards clean energy solutions. India, a nation heavily reliant on coal, seemed poised to embrace a greener future. The anticipation surrounding the budget was palpable. The performance of renewable energy stocks in the weeks preceding the announcement spoke volumes. Companies like Inox Wind and Waaree Energies saw their stock prices climb steadily. This upward trend underscored the market's confidence in the government's commitment to renewable energy. The stage was set for a budget that could redefine India's energy landscape. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman delivered a budget that exceeded expectations. The power sector received a sizable allocation of 48,396 crore rupees, approximately $5.87 billion. This represented a substantial increase from the previous year. Within this allocation, renewable energy emerged as a clear winner. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, or MNRE, secured a significant portion of the funds. The MNRE received 26,549 crore rupees, around $3.22 billion. This marked a substantial increase from the previous fiscal year. The budget clearly prioritized solar power. A large portion of the MNRE's allocation, around 45%, was earmarked for solar power grids. This strategic allocation aimed to boost solar energy's share in India's energy mix. Another key beneficiary was the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. This program, focused on providing free solar power to households, received the second highest funding allocation at approximately 33%. These allocations sent a strong signal that India was serious about transitioning to a more sustainable energy future. The positive sentiment surrounding renewable energy was further bolstered by strong corporate earnings. Several companies in the sector reported impressive results for the previous quarter. Inox Wind, for instance, announced a staggering 96% year-on-year increase in revenue. This surge in revenue reflected the growing demand for renewable energy solutions. Waaree Energies, another major player in the sector, reported a four-fold jump in net profit. KPI Green Energy, specializing in captive power projects, also showcased impressive growth. The company successfully commissioned 40.16 megawatts of renewable power projects. Suzlon Energy, a well-established name in the wind energy sector, reported a remarkable 90.64% year-on-year increase in net sales. These positive earnings reports, coupled with the favorable budget allocations, fueled a rally in renewable energy stocks. Investors responded enthusiastically, pushing stock prices higher across the board. The Union Budget 2025 marked a turning point for renewable energy in India. The government's commitment to clean energy is undeniable. The substantial increase in budget allocations demonstrates this commitment clearly. Moreover, the impressive performance of renewable energy companies underscores the sector's growth potential. This positive momentum is expected to continue in the coming years. The Indian renewable energy sector is ripe with opportunities for investors. The government's push for clean energy is creating a favorable environment for growth. The demand for renewable energy solutions is rising steadily. Companies operating in this space are well positioned to capitalize on this trend. The future of renewable energy in India is bright. Investors who recognize this potential early on stand to reap substantial rewards in the long run.